Hello and welcome, KW family, to this video series, 4 proven lead gen tactics to thrive in the current market. My name is Ryan Lord. I'm a training specialist on the KWU Tech Training team. We exist entirely to provide you training and resources on how to leverage Command and KW technology to succeed in your business. And whether you're a new agent to Keller Williams or you're a seasoned agent who's just getting into Command, the fact of the matter is that agents just like yourself are using Command to build, power, and market their successful real estate businesses. It all really starts with getting and staying in the habit of small, consistent steps. And those steps form the foundation of all good habits toward building your business, but especially when it comes to generating leads. This video series is designed to allow you to plug in and learn exactly how the pros use Command's designs and campaigns applets, or the creative suite, as I like to call them, to really follow and emphasize the 4 laws of the database and lead generation. Those are building a database, feeding it every day, communicating with it in a systematic way, and servicing every lead that comes in. Those are 4 fundamentals that kind of seem like no-brainers, but just like learning a hobby or picking up a new skill, it all takes practice to put it into play within Command. So every video is going to give you a little tip or trick or the tools that you need to really get into the rhythm with using KW technology to form those habits and ultimately see huge benefits to your lead generation program from them. It's all about finding those fast wins. Those are proven and actionable techniques from the experts that you can start putting into play today. Your marketing machine never sleeps and never rests. And wouldn't you like to market your brand, your listings, and your events like a millionaire real estate agent? Sure you would. So let's jump in and see what we can do.